I'm going to guide you through on how to download Kali Linux ISO file in Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to launch your Google Chrome or any other browser that you have. It doesn't matter. So personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So I will go to my Google Chrome here, then go to search and search for Kali Linux. Then press on enter. Then once you are here, you are going to see Kali Linux official website, which is www.kali.org. Then once you are here on their homepage, you will just scroll down to the bottom. Then under links, you are going to see download stock get Kali. So click on that link. Then here you are going to see choose your platform. So I'm going to put this dark first. Then you are going to see two options here. You are going to see installer images, then virtual machine. So this is for single or multiple boot Kali, giving you complete control over the hardware access. So whenever you want to install Kali on a computer or a laptop, then this is the one that we are going to download. But this one is for virtual machine. If you want to run Kali on your Windows virtually, so you are going to download this one. But for this video, I'm going to download this one, installer images. So I'm just going to click on that. Then it will land you here on this page. So you are going to select this one. As you can see, it is 4.1 GB. Complete offline installation with customization. So this is the one that we are going to download. So I'm going to choose x86-64. Having known that, you are just going to click on this button here, download button. Click on it. Then the download will automatically begin. So as you can see, it has already begun here, 4.2 GB ISO file. That's how you can download Kali Linux ISO file in Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.